Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, so today let's solve this very simple 3x3 3x3 determinant identity just for fun. Okay, so hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Okay, so this problem looks not difficult. Probably a little bit difficult, but well, we need to prove this guy is the same as this. Okay, so right, so we use the Gaussian the Gaussian elimination, right? So basically we will times -1 on column or the row and add it to another column, or basically times some number and add it to another one. So obviously the thing I can do is that I can just see that, oh, do you see these two has common one? So it's basically x plus p1, right? So the obvious way is that is like what? Okay, so I can maybe do this. I first times -1 on the second column and add to the third column. Okay, so I fix the previous one. So this one is the same, and this one is the same. Okay, so let me just work on original matrices. Okay, so basically I times -1 and add to the third one. Okay, so you can see this one will be x plus p1 is still the same, and the p2 minus q3. Okay. Okay, so now I can see that, oh, p2 minus q3 is still, there is a constant p2 minus q3, so I can delete it and delete right hand side. Okay, so the remaining is to prove that, so we don't have this, and we are gonna to prove this one will the same as this one. Okay, so you can see a trick. Okay, so now this one is that you can see there is a q3 q3 and a q3 q3, so it's very easy that I should times -1 on the first column and add it to the second column. Okay, so once I do this, then the remaining thing I can see is that p1 minus I should get p1 minus q2, right? So this one will be p1 minus q2. This one is also p1 minus q2. This one is also p1 minus q2. Because you can see that all these are the same, or basically they're p1 only p1 minus q2. Okay, so I can delete all the p1 minus q2 and the p1 minus q2. Okay, so the remaining looks like this. X plus q2, x plus q3, y plus q2, y plus q3, y z plus q2, z plus q3, and x plus q3, and y plus q3, and z plus q3, and x plus p1, y plus p1, z plus p1. Okay, so obviously that I can also add I can do the same thing, right? Add I times the -1 on the second column and add to the third one. Okay, so in this case that I will get p1 minus q3, p1 minus q3. Okay, so let's do this. So I get p1 minus q3. Okay, I delete all the p1 minus q3, so I get this. Okay, so remaining I got this. So all this third column become 1, 1, 1. Okay, so then what should I do? What should I do? I can just times -1. I can maybe let's see. So I get x plus q2, x plus q3, and x plus q3 and 1. Okay. So I can times q2. Let's times q2 on my negative q2 on the second column and add to the first column. Okay, so x plus q3 will be still the same, but minus x. So I get minus x q2 will cancel this the first one. Okay. Sorry, will cancel the -1 q2. So I will cancel this q2. We'll cancel this. So I get x plus q3 and y plus q3, z plus q3. Actually, maybe up here that you can just directly do an expansion, right? If you think this is it works for you. Right, and 1, 1, 1. Okay. Okay, so now okay, so now what should I do? What should I do? Maybe up to here that let's see. So maybe up to here you can just directly do the expansion, right? And I think I think you will find the answer. Okay. But let's see. Maybe we have a way to do this. Let's see. What should I do? Yeah, I don't immediately see what should I do. Okay, yeah, I don't immediately see what should I do, but let's see. Yeah, I mean, how about okay, so let's do this. Okay, so let's times -1 on the row, on the first row, and add to the second one. Okay. So if I do this, then I will get I will get 0 here. And the y minus z. Okay, for this one that I get 1 times -1 here, that I get, let me just, so I get y pi y times y minus q3 minus x plus q3. Sorry, this is y minus x. Okay, so yeah, I get y squared plus q3y minus x squared minus q3x. Okay, still has a chance, but not yet finished. Plus q3y minus x. Okay, now you can see that this guy can be written as y minus x, y plus x. Okay, so I can combine these two. So let me write down. So I get x plus q3 and x plus q3, 1, 0, y minus x. And then this is y minus x, y plus x plus q3. And then I can do the same thing. I can times -1 on first row and add it to the second. That's already added to the third. So I get z minus x, z plus x plus q3, and z minus x, 0. Okay, so I can see that y minus x, and z minus x are the same. So I can kill all of it. Okay, and kill. So I get 1 minus z, and the z minus x, right? But there is a -1 sign. Okay, so remaining is very easy. If I expand it through this, then I get this very small determinant, which is just y plus x plus q3 and 1 and 1 and z plus x q3. Okay, so determinant of this is just y minus z. Sorry, let's see. Yeah, let's see. So determinant of this is just y minus z. So what the hell is going on? So I first kill. Oh, so sorry, I'm stupid. Yeah. Okay, so when we do this, that the thing we kill is y minus x. So there will be -1 here, and I kill z minus x. So it will be another -1, but this is still +1, right? So the remaining of this is just y minus z, which is this. Okay, so yeah, basically just, yeah, you can write everything down one step by one step, but basically the idea is that you first times -1 on this guy on our second row, sorry, the second column, add to the third, and then use 1 add kill these two. Now after the column elimination, that you start to do a row elimination, then you can get 6 different factors. It's not difficult. I mean, just very simple. See you guys next videos.